I am Prince Mich, aka Ngozi. Yes, I'm a gospel artist, an actor, movie producer, as well as EP, movie EP. Yes, I started music at the age of 7. Then I was drummer. From drum, I came to become bass guitarist, and later I became a backup singer. From there, I started reading a vocalist in the church. Yes, my first album, I started thinking of recording my first album when my friend Mich released his first album entitled Advocacy. Then I started thinking of how to come up with my own. So I recorded my first album, came out with it. People loved it, people liked it, and they started grabbing it. So my first album really went far. The problems we have in the industry is nothing but this new system of getting music into memory card and sending musics. You can use one memory card to download up to 300 or 400 musics. So we no longer sell our CDs because you can play 20 albums from different artists in a memory card. So if somebody can move from here playing one memory card till he gets to Ghana. So how do we sell our CDs? That's just the challenges we are facing now. Yes, I just came out with my volume 6. My volume 6 is now in the market. Ngozi volume 6. Bomba to Fender. I must follow Jesus. Bomba. Get into the market. Grab your copy. Anywhere they sell CD in Nigeria, the countries around, you grab your copy. This video is coming out. It's something.
Hello, my name is Pastor Casey. You are welcome to Gospel Friends TV show. In Gospel Friends, we promote gospel music. We interview gospel artists. We let them talk about their lives, about their gifts, how they are using it to serve God. We also cover them while doing their recording or shooting their musical video. You can ring us. Call the number showing on your TV screen. We will be happy to promote you and put you on the front line. We look forward to hearing from you soon.
Yes, you see some other gospel music like Felix Ndukwe albums, Blessed Samuel albums, Gozi Okeke, and mostly the person I can call a mentor, father in the industry, though he's late now, Party Obasi. Yes, my best color is white. I do put on white dresses, white shoes, to mention what I feel. Yes, there is a food we call in our dialect okwa. That is breadfruit. Yes, I so much like breadfruit. Yes, as I said, my Volume 6 video, I'm working on it seriously. We're putting more into it in order to make you feel good. The industry is doing well, but the problem we are facing is what I just told you. Mostly this memory card of the thing that people do download lots of music. They do not buy CDs anymore, so that they will just go to a place and download up to 300, 500 different albums in the memory card. So we are working towards it. We are calling on government to interfere in this matter. Let's see if they can put it in a way that before you download, you make your pay, just as it's done in every other countries. I've worked with most of my cool gospel artists. Some Felix Ndukwe, Gozi Okeke, Fine Babuchido late now. Somebody like Blessed Samuel, Chenwadike. Yes, worked with Chinyerudoma. Yes, I've worked with so many artists. So many artists. Yes. I have up to 17 albums now in the market. Ngozuchukwu volumes, I have up to volume 6 now, with other albums like Jesus Onyendum, like Onyedeka Chukwu. I have Ngozuchukwu Special, Ngozuchukwu Extra, Complete Ngozuchukwu. I have also Time of Praise. I have the one that I released, I called Ngozuchukwu Latest from 1 and 2. So I have so many others. I have up to 17 albums. Yeah. I advise you to stick and have your faith in the Lord our God, so that things will be moving smoothly for you. Even if you are facing some difficulties now, don't see it as the end of life. It's not yet end. It can never end till it ends, because God is there. He has a plan for you. He has lots of plans for you. But if you take because of this little test that you're passing through and take away your life, you might end up a kind of regret. Yes.